Hello everybody, it's Shira, the World Food Traveler, and today we have a beauty serum. Today we're doing a beauty serum, so stay tuned. So yes guys, if you keep watching it's because you're interested in having an amazing long hair. I don't know if you have noticed from a few months ago my hair was up in here, and look how much it has grown. And the funny thing is that all you need is 4 ingredients that I'm 100% sure you have at your house. And the ingredients are, you're gonna need some rosemary, some cinnamon. If you have this big cinnamons like I do, I chop it. And some ginger. We also need 2 cups of water and a bottle to put. I have it all prepared for you guys. So what I did is I put a little tiny bit of olive oil, and I put the rosemary in so I can have an infused olive oil and rosemary. Then I put the 2 cups of water, the ginger and the cinnamon in, and that is it. I let it in a small shimmer so that it reduces, so approximately 10 minutes. I like the effect that vitamin E does to my scalp. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some vitamin E capsules, and I'm also gonna go ahead and add some collagen. As you know, collagen, it's amazing for us ladies because it helps with the skin elasticity, it helps with radiant hair and the nails. That is if you consume it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw it. Well guys, what I did is I put in my blender all the ginger pieces and all the rosemary, not the cinnamon, and I blended in with the vitamin E capsules like I told you. Throw it back in, and I'm gonna let it boil until it reduces 1/3 of what it is right now. So I'm gonna let it boil for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Well guys, as you can see, it has reduced quite a lot. I'm gonna move it a little bit, give it a little stir, and now I'm gonna remove it from the heat. Now I'm gonna throw it into the straightener so that all the cinnamons and little pieces that were left out doesn't go into our serum. So this is all the fiber that we want to remove, because if not, our bottle, the dripper of our bottle is gonna get stuck, and we don't want that. And look at the serum right there. Yay! As you guys can see, right now it's super hot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on the fridge for 2 hours, and then I'm gonna throw it into my little bottle, and it's ready. Okay guys, so we have our serum, and we're gonna drop it in our little bottle. Wait, slowly, slowly, slowly. Voila! And voila, here we have it, our homemade hair growth serum. If you're wondering what this hair growth serum does and why these ingredients are good, it's basically the following. These 3 major ingredients we use in our serum have the same effect on the hair. It helps with hair loss, with the free radicals that makes our pores in our hair bigger. It makes them tight. Helps with the dandruff and nourishes the scalp and helps with the scalp circulation. If you've heard it before, scalp circulation, it's really important to ferment new hair. And the vitamin E I added, it's super duper nourishing to our hair, skin, and nails, as well as the collagen. So guys, remember to add this serum to your scalp 3 times a week, and you will see the significant change in your hair. And this is it for today. I really hope you guys like this serum. I hope you guys try it. If you try it, comment me and tell me how it goes. How does it feel? Does your scalp feel different? Is it not inflamed anymore? Is the new hair growing? Tell me. Remember that if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want more like this video, comment what you want below. And remember to subscribe on that little button right there. This is Shira, the World Food Traveler, and she is out. Bye guys.